Master the art of efficient packing. Are you here because you are planning out for a trip and find yourself overwhelmed with too many items? Perhaps you are feeling a bit disorganized and crave a change in your packing routine. Or maybe you're a first time traveler seeking efficient packing tips. Well, you are on the right video. Welcome back to the Journey Kings, your passport to adventure. We've got a fantastic episode for you. We are diving into the world of packing, but not just any packing. We're talking about unconventional packing hacks or just simple, straightforward, and proper way of packing that will change the way you travel forever. So, whether you are a jet setter or just planning your next adventure, stick around because you are in for a treat. Alright, let's get this party started. How many of you have been in that situation where you start packing, promising yourself that you will travel light, but then you find yourself surrounded by a mountain of your favorite shirts that you just can't leave behind? I am definitely guilty, Your Honor. Anyways, let's talk about maximizing luggage space. First, with our buddy, the vacuum bag. Or maybe not that vacuum. Anyways, vacuum bags are like magic for packing. You just stuff your clothes in, seal them up, and then let's get rid of all that pesky air, which takes so much of our space, especially for bulky clothes or jackets. But please make sure you don't suck out your socks or your underwears. You want to make sure you have them all available during your vacation. Anyway, you can find these vacuum bags for approximately €15 on Amazon or at local stores in your country. Be sure to recycle them and let's all do our part to help preserve the environment. Insert Halo. But hey, maybe you're not into vacuums or you are afraid your clothes will look like wrinkled scarecrows. No worries, we've got another trick up our sleeve. We're talking about KonMari method. You know that whole sparking joy thing? Thank you, shirt, for being awesome. Now let's fold you like a burrito. And guess what? You'll fit perfectly in your suitcase and you'll look fabulous when you unpack. Fun fact, I find joy and peace folding clothes. I find it so relaxing and satisfying. I know you say weirdo. Anyways, isn't it satisfying to open your suitcase and see everything neat and tidy? It's like an Instagram worthy packing party. Or maybe it's just me. Wait, there's more. Ever heard of the rolling technique? Nope, not that rolling. Rolling your clothes not only saves space but also helps prevent wrinkles. Plus, it's like a little game of Tetris. How many clothes can you fit in there? Look at that space optimization. It's like a packing magic. Alright, let's talk about those tiny annoying toiletries. They always seem to spill, right? We've got a nifty trick for you. Use plastic wrap under the cup to prevent spills. Genius, right? No more shampoo disasters in your suitcase. You're welcome. Additionally, opt for a clear 1-liter bag to store your liquids, including perfumes, liquid sanitizers, body wash, hair products, and more. This not only aids in your organization but also assists both you and that security personnel operating the screening machine at the airport entrance. So channel your inner savvy traveler and demonstrate your efficiency to everyone. You show off. Just kidding. We are all aware of the bustling security environments at airports. However, by acting efficiently and swiftly, you can ensure you are following the rules correctly, avoid any mishaps, and keep everything neatly arranged. Another cool yet famous trick is by filling in your shoes. Stuff your shoes with your socks, underwear, or even small accessories. This not only maintains the shoe shape but also make use of wasted space. That's hitting two birds in one stone. Before we conclude, take a moment to organize your backpack or hand carry. Ensure that your essential items like your passport, wallet, keys, laptop, or any gadgets are easily accessible. Avoid cluttering your bag with unnecessary items like excessive wires, pens, papers, or items you thought you might need but really you don't need them. It's time to bid them farewell. Seriously, declutter for your own sanity, please. Just kidding. But the goal is to keep your bag neat and your important belongings readily available. As a quick tip, bring an empty water bottle with you and fill it up once you have access to a potable water or when you are on the plane. Speaking of which, we've also created a separate video on how to survive your long-haul flight. So be sure to check that out. Smart. So there you have it, folks. Our unconventional packing hacks that will make your travel smoother, more organized, and dare I say, a whole lot more fun. Remember, whether you are jetting off to exotic destinations or just visiting grandma, these packing hacks will level up your packing game. Don't forget to share this to your friend flying soon and subscribe to our channel. Oh, and let us know your personal favorite packing hack in the comments below. Let's learn together, of course. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy travels. Bye!